welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm sitting in Cajun Chicken in F11 Marcus. It is a new restaurant which has opened up. We weren't planning on going here, but we wanted to try ranches. We ended up in this restaurant instead, and the reason why I wanted to try it out because I am missing Poutine from Lahore, and this is a restaurant which is really close to my house who had Poutine on the menu. So I hope it turns out to be really nice. I have uploaded the Canadian Poutine bar video. I'm gonna link it below so you can check that out too. And let's see how the food turns out to be. I really hope we don't get food poisoning the next day. But the restaurant is a ghost town. It is very quiet here. We are the only ones sitting. Other than that, I think it looks promising. Let's just jump right into the food. Beanies. The Texas chicken that we had. The Texas chicken one was not as sweet. I like it. I like the biscuit. Ooh, do you see this? The Poutine. It tastes nice. It's definitely not how the original Poutine is like the authentic Poutine, but not bad. So the management just approached us and they wanted to offer us complimentary boba tea or pearl tea, whatever you guys call it, as well as complimentary ice cream. So that was very sweet of them, completely unnecessary. They didn't have to do that, but they did, so that's great. This is a new establishment, so I'm guessing that they definitely want to keep those loyal customer fan base. Also upgraded our meal, so instead of going for a small poutine in the same price, so they upgraded it to the large in the price of the small one. I think with the fries as well, right? The fries, they also upgraded it to large fries instead of the small ones. So that was very kind of them. So I'm excited for boba tea because it's one of my favorite. I'm really happy with that. And also now this is the coffee one I ordered, right? It has cream on top. They didn't have the authentic cup where you shake it with the machine, so they asked me to stir. All are super tiny. Since this is a complimentary drink, I asked them to order them. Since this is a complimentary drink, I asked them to one drink instead of choosing one myself. But it turned out to be really nice. It's definitely different to the original boba. The boba itself is very tiny, but the overall flavor, the coffee one that they ordered. If you like the food, definitely do visit this new restaurant in F11 and do comment below and let me know what you thought of the food. I'm looking forward to reading everyone's comments.